Meaning of life support system.
Life support system.
Life support system.
Life support system.
Life support system. Life support system refers to any device or system that provides or maintains the necessary conditions for human life. It typically includes equipment such as breathing apparatus, air purifiers, heating and cooling systems, and waste disposal systems, among others. Life support systems are commonly used in hospitals and other medical facilities to sustain critically ill patients, as well as in spacecraft and submarines to support the crew's survival in hostile environments. The term can also be used metaphorically to refer to any system or structure that sustains something vital, such as a business or an ecosystem.